Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Now in the previous video we learned what is a GUI, what is a graphical interface, what is PyQt5, what is Qt Designer, and many more. Basically it was the theory video where we just learned what and all are the basic stuff. Now in today's video we are going to install PyQt5 and Qt Designer. Basically it is the practical video where we're going to do the installation and learn a little bit of how this GUI thing works and all the stuff. So first let's install PyQt5 and then the rest of the things which are required for the PyQt5, and after that we'll see how we are going to make a simple GUI also. I'm not going to show you an advanced or a hard one, just a simple one, so that you'll get to know what a GUI will look like and all the stuff, as we are going to do it in the advanced virtual assistant. Now if you have not watched the previous video, I will leave the link in the description, as well as there'll be an I button right here. Click that, watch the video, and then come right here. Now if the people have already watched, thank you, and now let's move ahead in installing PyQt5. Okay, so first what we are going to do is we are going to type cmd, fine, and we're going to run it as an administrator. Okay, we'll tell yes, and here it is. Now once this is done, what we are going to do is we are going to put it as pip install PyQt5, fine. So we are going to keep it as P as capital, Y and Q as capital, and D and 5, fine, and you can click enter. Now it will come as requirement as satisfied for me because I've already installed. As you can see right here, requirement already satisfied. If not for you, it will get installed easily. So now here we have installed PyQt5. Now in order to install Qt Designer, we have to install the PyQt5 tools. So what we are going to do, we are going to put it as pip install PyQt5 hyphen tools. Okay, so once you've done this, just click enter and it will start installing. For me it's showing requirement already satisfied because I've already installed it. So here you have already installed PyQt5 and Qt Designer also, which is basically the PyQt tools. Now in order to use the Qt Designer, what we are going to do is we are going to come back to the search and we will put it as designer. Okay, so if you put design also is fine, it will come. So this is PyQt Designer. This is how it's going to look like. There's a pencil right here. So if I click on open right here, if I click, there'll be an interface where it will show like this. You can just put like, you need to put it as a main window. So you can just click on create and a main window will be created for you. Now with this window itself, you're going to do the GUI, the graphical interface. So if you're wondering why are we using this Qt5 or Qt Designer, we need not write the backend. This Qt Designer itself will write the backend for us and give it to us, and we can just copy paste it and make our job easier. Okay, so if I want to, let me do one thing. Let me just remove few things right here. Yes. Okay, so if I want to, let's put push button. Okay, so let's put push button, and this is a push button, and I'll put it as okay, or yeah, let's put it as okay. Now you can do many things in this Qt Designer. I will show you how to do all this stuff, everything I'll be showing you, so stay tuned for that. Now this button is available, so if I press Ctrl plus R, there will be a button for me. Now with this button itself, we are going to do the run button, exit button, preview button, all those things. So whichever you're thinking in the graphical interface, that will be here. Now this is a simple video on how to install the PyQt5 and Qt Designer. I hope you understood how to install it. If you want, I'll just leave the Python pip install, the actual official one. If you're not able to install it, you can just check that. So that's how you install. So keep this ready, because as soon as we do the advanced virtual assistant series, we are going to use this graphical interface GUI with this help of this Qt Designer. So I hope you guys understood. Happy coding, guys. Till then, peace out, guys.